Welcome back to Day 4 of our Excel course. So far, you've learned how Excel looks and how to move around inside it. Today, we're going to start doing real work by entering data into Excel. Let's begin with something simple. In Excel, you can enter three main types of data: text, numbers, and dates. First, let's talk about text. Text means words or letters, like names, titles, or labels. To enter text, just click on any cell and start typing. For example, I'll click on cell A1 and type my name. Once you're done, press Enter, and Excel saves the value in that cell. Now let's enter numbers. Click on another cell and type a number, like 100 or 2,500. Numbers are usually used for things like marks, prices, quantities, or totals. Again, press Enter to confirm. Next, let's enter a date. Click on a new cell and type today's date. You'll notice Excel automatically recognizes it as a date and formats it for you. This is one of the smart features of Excel. Now, what if you make a mistake? No problem at all. If you want to change something, just double-click on the cell and edit the data. You can also select the cell and edit the value from the formula bar at the top. If you accidentally type something wrong, you can use Undo. Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. If you undo something by mistake, press Ctrl+Y to redo it. Let me show you another very useful feature called AutoFill. Type a value in one cell, then move your mouse to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. When you see a plus sign, click and drag down. Excel will automatically copy the value to other cells. Now let's talk about delete and clear. If you press the delete key, Excel removes the content, but keeps the cell formatting. Clear options allow you to remove only specific things, like content or formatting. Now it's your turn to practice. In column A, type the names of 5 people. In column B, enter their ages. In column C, enter today's date once, then use AutoFill to copy it down. Take your time and pause the video if needed. Great job. Today, you learned how to enter text, numbers, and dates, how to edit data, and how to use AutoFill. These are basic skills, but they are extremely important. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to select, copy, move, and edit data more efficiently. I'll see you in Day 5.